Hello guys, how to fix Xbox Live login error 0x89235107 in Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of Xbox, here are the fixes, and the first workaround is go to Windows settings, right click on settings, and here from the left side go to Windows update, click on Windows update and click on check for updates, and if any update available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various apps not working properly, so first install latest update, Windows latest update in your system. The second one is go to Microsoft Store in your system, open it, and from the left side click on library, and if you find any update available regarding Xbox game app particularly, then update from Microsoft Store and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to run command box by pressing bin plus R shortcut key, and here type services.msc to open services windows, click on OK. Services windows will now open in your system. Here scroll down and go to Xbox related all services. Simply right click on it and start it. If you found already in start mode, then restart it. Apply this procedure, apply, double click on it, and startup type set as automatic. Choose apply and OK to save the changes. Apply this method for all other Xbox Live related services. Simply start it or restart it. Startup type as automatic. Apply and OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system and check whether your Xbox Live login error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to settings, right click on start button, and here from the left side go to apps, click on apps. Thereafter go to right side and choose installed apps, and here look for Xbox Live. Type Xbox in the search field and click on three horizontal dot against Xbox and choose advanced options. Click on it. Here scroll down and you will find the option reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First choose repair, and if this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Once repair, and thereafter if repair does not fix your issue, then reset Xbox Live app and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on start button, choose run command box, and in run command box type msconfig to open system configuration window. Clean boot your system. From the top menu bar, go to services and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services. Click on it and select all services and choose disable all. Select all services, hide all Microsoft services and disable all. Startup from the top menu bar and open Task Manager and manually disable all the startup apps enabled in your system. Scroll down, and if any startup app enabled in your system, simply right click on it and choose disable. Manually disable all the startup apps. Thereafter close the Task Manager window and click on apply and OK to save the changes. Restart your system. You must restart your system, and after that your Xbox Live login error will definitely be resolved. That's all.